How to find trusted phone number on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to Sign In and Security. Here, scroll down to the Security section and tap on Two-Factor Authentication. You can view all your added devices and phone numbers used for verification over here. If you want to add more numbers, then tap on Add a Trusted Phone Number as shown. Over here, add in the details of the number and tap on Continue. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily find trusted phone number on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.